In today's video, I will be talking about one of the successful thriving fish farm and fish processing person in one of the state of Southwest in Nigeria. So if you are interested in knowing this remarkable and successful fish farmer, do well to watch to the end of this video. This is Fish Framer is from the heart of Akure, Ondo State, Nigeria. Comes a name that's fast becoming a household brand, Tikifish Farm and Smokehouse. His honesty, commitment, consistency and diligence has spread the brand as spread the gospel of his hard working across the states and nations. Because let's be honest, who doesn't love fish that's smoked better than your uncle's party jollof? The brand's story. Tikifish Farm and Smokehouse began with one mission: grow clean, healthy catfish, not those ones that look like they've been lifting weights, and turn them into smoked goodness. What started as a few ponds has grown into a business that feeds families, shops, and maybe even your next-door neighbor who suddenly became friendly after smelling smoked fish. His consistency in the business over the years has its own economical impart of values. What makes Tikifish unique? It's not just about raising catfish, it's about doing it right. These fish are pampered. They probably have better water treatment than some hotels. And when it's time to smoke them, oh, it's serious business, no shortcuts, no village-style guesswork. Just good technique, good hygiene, and great taste. And the vast knowledge he have with the names of the fishes amazes me whenever I watched some of his videos, like names from common names, family name, scientific names, and local names. His intelligence is so much commendable and emulated. The smokehouse operation. The smokehouse? That's the engine room. Fish goes in raw and comes out looking so golden you'd think it was auditioning for a movie role. Chunked, whole, spicy or mild, whatever you like, Tikifish delivers. And not just within Akure, even Lagos people day chop this fish weller. In terms of customer trust and delivery. Now, in this world of online scammers with sweet mouths, Tikifish does things differently. One account. One number. Zero nonsense. They're the kind of business that reminds you it's okay to trust again, like that time you gave your ex a second chance. Wait, never mind. From busy moms to export markets, Tikifish is feeding everyone with pride and premium packaging. So whether you want to impress in-laws, feed the kids, or sneak a midnight snack, Tikifish has your back. Tikifish Farm and Smokehouse isn't just about fish, it's about doing agribusiness right. Clean, scalable, profitable, and tasty enough to settle neighbor disputes. Follow Tikifish on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok because staring at smoked fish photos is a form of therapy. Tikifish Farm and Smokehouse is more than just a farm, it's a proudly Nigerian brand, showing the world that agribusiness can be clean, scalable, and profitable. And I believe this video has inspired you in one way or the other to appreciate the humble beginnings, especially the beginners is fish farming business. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with fellow fish farmers, and subscribe to Aquamarket 7 for more stories that prove agriculture can be smart, stylish, and delicious. We upload new videos every week to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.